Yo guys, it is Wealth Autos 99. I give you this 2005 CLK Mercedes Benz. Give me 4.5 million naira last, non-negotiable. Last price, don't call me for negotiation. This car is one door, but very clean, sweet, sharp, buy and buy. First body. Show them the rim that came with this car. Can you see? Show them the interior view. Come on, check. Show them the interior view. What are they saying? Baba, this car is for you and your sweet baby. Let me start this car so that you hear. Did you hear? One start, one kick, one start. Sound. 4.5 million naira. See. Sharp car. Show them the front view. This car is one door. One door. And mind you, this is a V8 engine. V8. But the engine is sound. In case you are buying this car for the first time as your first car, come with your mechanic or just come and pay for this car. Enjoy yourself. 4.5 million naira if you have it. Give it to me. I will give you this baby. Do you understand me? Wealth Autos 99. We're in the city of Abuja, Nigeria. We are the best. Thank you.